Daikon.
Okay, a Goodman Daikon.
BTU.
Okay. And how many square feet is this shed again?
Oh, this shed is 200.
200 square feet? 208? Okay.
Something like that.
So here's the outdoor unit. The indoor unit is already hung inside, right?
Well, no, it's not. So I have to take it down. So I could put the line set in.
Okay. And line set is?
Refrigeration line.
Okay. And you see these sitting right here, wrapped in this black foam.
Insulation.
Insulation.
Armaflex.
What is it called?
Armaflex, or some type of UV protecting. I'm being cheap and using up old material
Okay.
from jobs. You know.
There's nothing cheap with that. It's being frugal.
Well,
Use what you have lying around. But if you buy it new, I think now it's a regulation that it has to be UV.
We will have the UV on the outside, but not on the inside on the suction line. Just something I had sitting down rather than temporary UV.
Good. Yeah. The blue barrel is just a rain catchment barrel that we had out in the garden, but we're going to use that to catch the condensate for now. Nice. And then we'll get something nice. Maybe we'll catch an end of the season clearance or something decorative and nice to go with this nice little shed. Let me stand back a little bit and you can see what the shed looks like. And this was also built by him. He built this from the ground up. I don't think I posted a video of that, but anyway, it's white and brown. I can at least put some pictures or something in here. But if you'll see, he put electricity in the shed just this year. But when we built it, it was about 2 years of no electricity. So it's pretty ornate. I think it looks cute. I forget how tall this shed is. But anyway, this is 8 feet tall.
16 feet.
I was going to say 8.
The first one's got 8 foot ceilings.
8 foot ceilings. It's 16 feet tall. And how much did it cost us to build this? And how much did it cost to build this?
Man, we're probably in the $7,000, I think. Maybe more, maybe. I don't know. I didn't calculate. Electric was about a G. Maintenance was about 500. Shed was about 6. We put insulation in. Hold on, wait, 6. Probably.
Okay, so about $8,000 with insulation, electricity, and then the heating system will be totally separate. Hold on. So the heating system is separate. It's a Daikon Goodman ductless system, commonly known as a mini split. So we're putting this thing in, and how much did this cost?
This wasn't expensive at all. This was about $400.
$400.
It's only an 18 SEER, but you know we're not looking for, you know.
I mean, it's a 280 square foot shed. So if you have a tiny home or something this small, it should do a great job heating and cooling it.
Live here, but we could always upgrade. All the circuits are here. So if we had to go with a hyper heating model rated for, you know, for cold temperatures, this will do okay. But I would say this is a 3-season building right now, because this is not a cold temperature mini split. You know, but it's something for now. It was cheap.
Yeah,
We'll get the job done, and we could always repurpose it.
Yeah, you can't beat $400.
We could repurpose it for the. Probably what we'll do is probably repurpose this for that walkout. For the walk.
And then this little hole in the siding is where the line set comes out. And this is siding that we got.
Silver side. It's called Smart Side. It's
Smart
LP
Side.
Smart Side silver siding. It's got a reflective radiant barrier to it. It's not an R value, but it does reflect something. You know how that's doing for you thermally, but it's doing something. We'll just put it that way.
Yeah. So now he's connecting the wire from the electric box to, I don't know what this thing is called.
This is called the condenser unit. That's the electric circuit. Yeah, that's the electric. That's a junction box.
Okay. Okay. So there you have it. So outdoor unit of a mini split going into a 280 foot shed. All right, so he's on the other side of this wall. I just came in the door. Ooh, I think it's going to close on me, but I came in the ramp, came in the door, And it's going to be dark because he's got the power off while he's connecting this thing. So I'm coming to the front door of the shed, which is like kind of a not a barn door, but it's like a double door. So on the other side of this black hose and wire is where he's working. Now it is a little bit messy over here. This is where he cut the hole, and we haven't had one of the kids come and sweep up because that's their job to do this. But also you can see over here that this is where it's going to go on the wall. He's got the line set up here. Again, the black stuff and that silver thing up here. I can't point with my hand because I'm holding the camera, but that's where the indoor unit is going to be hung. Okay, and I will do a tour shed in just a moment. But here it is. Here's the indoor unit. It's hung on it. It's sitting on its side right now, but you can see all the connectors are there. Let's see if I can get a good shot over here and get some daylight in here. So anyway, it is on its side. Once it's up on the wall, I'll post a video with that.
Now I'm working on the line sets inside. I gotta get a flare tool.
Okay, a flare tool does what?
So these are flared connections. One of the weakest link of a mini split is, but it also can be done right. But you got flare connections for your connections. It's not brazed. So.
What can you tell me what flare is and braze?
Flare is, this is the flare end.
Let me come in.
Flare nut and it screws together with a certain, it's a flare. The same way, it's a mating surface. It's a mechanical surface. It's a mechanical joint.
Okay.
Where basically one end of the copper's flared to meet this, and then you tighten it up with a torque wrench.
Okay.
And
if you had to braze it, what would you do? You have to use that solder thing?
And the torch.
Oh.
But these have very sensitive metering devices.
So it's better to get a flared thing?
So yeah, it's not even better. They don't even offer it. They offer that in like VRF, which is commercial, but that's a whole different process.
Okay, and what's VRF?
Variable refrigerant flow.
Okay.
Or, yeah. Variable, I think that's, pretty sure it's variable refrigerant flow. Let's see here. There it is.
Okay, so now he's just cutting the foam off, and then he's going to hang that indoor unit, right?
That's correct.
Okay.